I Will Teach You to Be Rich, 2019 Updated Edition. Author, Ramit Sethi. Money shapes nearly every aspect of our lives, yet most people feel overwhelmed, confused, or even intimidated by the idea of managing it. Ramit Sethi's I Will Teach You to Be Rich has long stood out as a refreshing antidote to that anxiety. A practical, psychology-driven guide that replaces guilt and restriction with clarity and confidence. The 2019 updated edition builds on the foundation of the original 2009 release, expanding its ideas to reflect a decade of technological change, shifting financial norms, and evolving lifestyle expectations. This review explores both editions side by side, highlighting how Sethi's philosophy has matured, how his tools have modernized, and why his approach continues to resonate with readers seeking a richer, more intentional life. By examining the updates, expansions, and refinements, we gain a deeper understanding of how personal finance has transformed, and how Sethi's system adapts to help readers thrive in a fast-changing world. Chapter 1. Optimize Your Credit Cards. Sethi opens the book by reframing credit cards as powerful financial tools rather than traps. He argues that most people misuse credit not because cards are dangerous, but because they lack systems and discipline. The chapter explains how credit scores work, why they matter, and how to build them strategically. Sethi emphasizes the importance of paying bills on time, keeping utilization low, and maintaining long credit histories. He also introduces the idea of negotiating fees, providing scripts for calling credit card companies to request lower APRs or waived charges. The updated edition includes modern credit-building tools, fraud alerts, and digital monitoring services. Sethi's tone is direct and empowering. He wants readers to stop fearing credit and start using it to unlock better financial opportunities, from lower insurance rates to easier loan approvals. This chapter sets the tone for the entire book by showing that small, simple actions can create long-term financial leverage. Chapter 2. Beat the Banks. This chapter focuses on the hidden costs of traditional banking. Sethi criticizes big banks for predatory fees, low interest rates, and poor customer service. He encourages readers to switch to high-yield online savings accounts and no-fee checking accounts, which offer better returns and fewer penalties. The updated edition reflects the rise of fintech, recommending digital banks, mobile budgeting apps, and automated transfers. Sethi explains the psychology behind why people stay with bad banks: comfort, fear of change, and inertia, and provides a step-by-step plan for switching accounts without stress. He also introduces the concept of money pipelines, where money flows automatically from checking to savings, investments, and bills. This chapter is practical and action-oriented, giving readers immediate wins that build confidence for later steps. Sethi's message is clear: your bank should work for you, not against you. Chapter 3. Get Ready to Invest. Here, Sethi demystifies investing by stripping away jargon and focusing on fundamentals. He explains the difference between stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and index funds, emphasizing that most people don't need complex strategies to build wealth. The chapter highlights the power of compound growth, showing how small, consistent contributions can grow dramatically over decades. Sethi also addresses common fears: losing money, not knowing enough, and waiting for the perfect time. His answer is simple: start now, automate contributions, and stay invested long-term. The updated edition includes modern retirement account options, robo-advisors, and low-fee index funds. Sethi's philosophy is that investing is not about beating the market, it's about participating in it. This chapter prepares readers mentally and practically for the more detailed investing steps that follow. Chapter 4. Conscious Spending. This chapter introduces one of Sethi's signature ideas: the Conscious Spending Plan, CSP. Instead of traditional budgeting, which he argues is restrictive and unrealistic, Sethi proposes a flexible system that allocates money into four categories: fixed costs, investments, savings, and guilt-free spending. The updated edition includes modern examples like subscription management, digital spending habits, and lifestyle creep. Sethi encourages readers to spend extravagantly on what they love: travel, dining, hobbies, while cutting ruthlessly on things they don't care about. This approach reframes money as a tool for joy rather than deprivation. He also explores the psychology of spending, explaining why people overspend emotionally and how to build habits that align with personal values. This chapter is transformative for many readers because it replaces guilt with intentionality. Chapter 5. Save While Sleeping. Automation is the heart of Sethi's system, and this chapter explains how to build a fully automated financial ecosystem. He outlines how to schedule transfers from checking to savings, retirement accounts, and investment accounts so that money moves without requiring willpower. The updated edition includes automation tools from modern banks, apps, and fintech platforms. Sethi argues that automation eliminates human error, procrastination, and emotional decision-making. He also explains how to automate bill payments, credit card payments, and even irregular expenses like vacations or holiday gifts. The chapter includes sample automation flowcharts and timelines. Sethi's core message is that once your system is set up, you can focus on living your life instead of constantly managing money. This chapter is one of the most practical and impactful in the book. Chapter 6. The Myth of Financial Expertise. Sethi challenges the idea that you need a financial advisor or deep expertise to manage your money. He critiques the financial industry for overcomplicating investing to justify high fees. The chapter explains how actively managed funds often underperform simple index funds and how fees quietly erode long-term returns. The updated edition includes modern examples of fee-heavy robo-advisors, insurance-linked investments, and trendy but risky products. Sethi empowers readers to trust simple, evidence-based strategies. He also teaches how to evaluate financial advice, spot conflicts of interest, and avoid common traps. This chapter builds confidence by showing that ordinary people can outperform experts simply by following consistent, low-cost strategies. Chapter 7. Investing isn't only for rich people. This chapter dismantles the belief that investing is only for high earners. Sethi shows how even small contributions, $20, $50, $100 per month, can grow significantly over time. He explains how to choose retirement accounts, 401k, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, and how to prioritize contributions based on employer matches and tax advantages. The updated edition includes modern contribution limits, digital brokerages, and simplified investment menus. Sethi also addresses emotional barriers, fear of losing money, confusion about risk, and the belief that investing is too complicated. His message is empowering. You don't need to be rich to start investing, but you need to start investing to become rich. This chapter is especially motivating for beginners. Chapter 8. How to Invest the Easy Way. This chapter provides the practical blueprint for building a long-term investment portfolio. Sethi explains asset allocation, diversification, and risk tolerance in simple terms. He recommends low-cost index funds and target date funds as the easiest, most effective options for most people. The updated edition includes modern ETF options, digital brokerages, and automated investment platforms. Sethi also explains how to rebalance portfolios annually and how to avoid emotional reactions during market volatility. His approach is refreshingly simple. Choose a few diversified funds, automate contributions, and leave them alone. This chapter is one of the most actionable and confidence-building sections of the book. Chapter 9. The Rich Life. Here, Sethi shifts from mechanics to meaning. He introduces the concept of a rich life, which is deeply personal and different for everyone. A rich life might include travel, entrepreneurship, family time, or creative pursuits. The chapter encourages readers to define their own rich life vision and align their spending with it. The updated edition includes modern examples like remote work, digital nomadism, and lifestyle design. Sethi emphasizes that money is not the goal, freedom, fulfillment, and intentional living are. This chapter is philosophical and motivational, helping readers connect financial habits to long-term purpose. Chapter 10. The Money and Relationships chapter. Sethi explores how money affects romantic relationships, friendships, and family dynamics. He discusses communication strategies, joint accounts, financial compatibility, and how to navigate difficult conversations. The updated edition includes modern topics like dual income households, digital spending transparency, and prenups. Sethi provides scripts for discussing money with partners and emphasizes empathy, honesty, and shared goals. This chapter is practical and emotionally intelligent, helping readers build healthier financial relationships. Chapter 11. A Rich Life Beyond Money. This chapter expands the rich life concept into areas like career, health, generosity, and personal growth. Sethi argues that money is only one part of a fulfilling life and encourages readers to invest in experiences, relationships, and self-development. The updated edition includes modern examples like online learning, side hustles, and flexible work. Sethi also discusses the importance of time management and energy management. This chapter helps readers see money as a foundation for a broader, more meaningful life. Chapter 12. The 6-Week Program, Putting It All Together. The final chapter consolidates the book's lessons into a structured 6-week plan. Each week focuses on a specific area: credit, banking, investing, spending, automation, and long-term planning. The updated edition includes modern tools, apps, and checklists. Sethi emphasizes action over perfection and encourages readers to implement the system gradually. The chapter ends with a motivational push to maintain momentum and revisit financial systems annually. It's a practical, empowering conclusion that turns theory into lifelong habits. Comparing the 2009 and 2019 editions of I Will Teach You to Be Rich reveals more than just updated numbers or new financial tools. It shows the evolution of a philosophy. What began as a straightforward, automation-focused money guide has grown into a holistic framework for designing a meaningful, values-driven life. The updated edition reflects the realities of modern banking, digital spending, and shifting cultural expectations around work, relationships, and lifestyle. Yet at its core, Sethi's message remains unchanged. Small, consistent actions can create extraordinary long-term results. Whether readers are just beginning their financial journey or refining an existing system, the 2019 edition offers a richer, more comprehensive roadmap for building not only wealth, but a life that feels purposeful, flexible, and deeply personal. Ultimately, the evolution of the book mirrors the evolution of its audience, and its enduring relevance proves that a rich life is not a destination, but an ongoing practice.